Responsibility. Usually, I'm reading the book, okay, reading the content of the chapter. Usually, we are very careful with things that belongs to us. किए थे क्या? Did we completed chapter 11? Sundarban. नहीं किए थे कि नहीं किए थे याद नहीं हो रहा. Okay, usually we are very careful with things that belongs to us. We do not handle them. We not only handle them with care, but very often handle them like eggs. This is because we want our things to last and even outlast us. मतलब लंबा चले और हम लोग से भी लंबा चले. Outlast us. However, when we deal with other thing, we forget this and handle them with lesser care. मगर ये काम दूसरों के लिए हम लोग दूसरों के सामान के टाइम पे ऐसे नहीं करते हैं. While at work, you do not take care of your desk or chairs. Very simply, you people use that. At home, you don't ever stand on your sofa or your chair, but in school, you not only stand on the desk or benches, but you try to crush them. Yeah, मजा आ रहा है ना. अभी तो सर कुछ कर भी नहीं सकते. कोई बात नहीं, ज्यादा दिन के लिए थोड़ी है. while we while at work, you take care you you take care of your desk, chair, telephones, machines, tools, gadgets, and other valuable instruments? Do you handle them as your own household things? If so, you have a sense of responsibility, a respect that is very important and essential. Often, mean or narrow minded people ventilate their grievance by breaking, damaging, and causing loss to the owners of the properties. I'm reading the sentence once again. Often, mean or narrow minded people ventilate their grievances by breaking, damaging, and causing losses to the owners of properties. Such act should be deplored and checked by those who notice them. A destructive child loses many good things from his parents because he does not take care of his belongings. He is careless and irresponsible. जनरल तौर पे हम लोग ऐसे ही है. हम लोग जो है ना, किसी का दिया हुआ सामान का रिस्पेक्ट नहीं करते, उसका सही ढंग से इस्तेमाल नहीं करते, बस जैसे तैसे करना है. Chandravan is a village boy living with his parent and brother in a village. There was much work to do at home since his father is a tanga driver. There is also a buffalo to be cared of. While his father is away all day, he shouldered his responsibilities very well. He takes the buffalo to drink water at the pond. He gathers food for the buffalo and washes up the courtyard when she is tired while she is tired every day. चंद्रभान के बारे में था ये कि भैंस का देखभाल करता था, पानी पिलाने ले जाता था, फिर क्या बोलते हैं उसको, चारा लेके आता था भैंस के लिए. जहाँ पे भैंस बंधी हुई रहती थी वहां पे साफ सफाई रख करता था. His mother need helps too. He does it all ungrudgingly. He wants to be a teacher. Though his father is a Tanga driver, he attends a school called village school in the afternoon. He also helps his younger brother with his lessons. He washes his and his brother's clothes and gives his brother a bath. He is a good, careful, and responsible boy. Don't you think God will reward him? अच्छा बच्चा है, कोई बुराई नहीं दिख रहा है अभी तक. Some years ago, the mother of a large family died. Upon the frail shoulder of the eldest girl, not yet 17, fell the burden of caring for the family. Without a word, she took over the household chorus, kept the children clean, well fed, and sent them to school. When one day, when a friend stopped by and complimented her on the achievement, she replied, I can't take credit for something I have to do. God leaves us on our own to accept our responsibilities or to evade them. So, we see handle with care does not apply to things alone. It applies to human beings too, with whom we have to deal with every day. A barber's assistant seeing a man come to shave asks the boss, may I try giving him a shave? It will be a good practice for me. All right, go ahead, replied the boss doubtfully. But be careful, don't cut yourself. Very often, we are careful with ourselves and are careless with others in our dealings. Not long ago, a 35-year-old woman committed suicide. She had often complained of the loneliness that had confronted her in childhood and followed her all through her life. Shortly before her death, she spoke of the emptiness of her existence and referred to her life as a horrible, mm, mess. After she had died, her friends remembered her warning signals. They were regretted that they had not heeded her cries for help. If they had paid attention to her loneliness and given her more attention, perhaps she would not have died. We should feel for those people. Their outlook on life would have been healthy and moral if someone had shown a bit interest in them. Yet, many a human tragedy could be averted by a little thoughtful, solicited solicitude to on our part. If people are willing to shoulder responsibilities and fulfill their duties, this world would be a better place to live in. Do your part by lending hand to those who need your help. Where are you going? Asks the candle. I am going up higher the house to show ship the way to the harbor, he replied. The candle said, but no ship in the harbor could see my light if it is so very small. Even if your light is small, the man said, keep burning brightly and leave the rest to me. When the man reached the top of the long staircase, he came to a great lamp. He hit the lamp, sorry, he lit the lamp. Soon the great polished reflector behind the lamp began to send beams of light across miles of seas. Yeah, क्या समझ आया? किसी को कुछ समझ आया? कहानी यहाँ पे दो तीन कहानी थी, यहाँ पे I can see Ayush Bharti and another person, Dilkush Kashyap. They are trying to enroll. But why should you try to enroll? Because already you people are being added automatically from your old WhatsApp number. So use your old WhatsApp number to enroll. Ask them, those who mm, are closer to them, and both of them are from the hostels, I think. Dilkush Kashyap, this is someone else. I forgot the name of that person. Okay, किसी को कोई डाउट है? हाथ उठाओ या माइक्रोफोन ऑन करो, पूछो। है किसी को कोई डाउट? चैट भी ऑन है, चाहे तो चैट में भी लिख सकते हो, बट द मैसेज मस्ट बी डायरेक्टेड टुवर्ड्स मी, नॉट अमंग योरसेल्फ। आपस में चैटिंग नहीं होनी चाहिए। नहीं है किसी को कोई प्रॉब्लम नहीं है? Rearrange the 5 sentences below in the correct order to make a proper story. Call it responsibility. Exercise देख रहे हैं ना? You can see the moral of the story. A successful person, he is who takes responsibility to try his best. Now the exercise, rearrange the 5 sentences in the correct order to make a proper story. 1 hour later, the married brother woke up and thought, my brother lives alone and does not have anyone to help him till the land. Sometimes something must be done. And taking some of the sheaves from his pile, carried them to his brother. Next morning, they both were surprised to see both the piles. They were still the same. Once they are gathering the harvest, and put the wheat into 2 piles. In Assam, 2 brothers, one with many children, another alone and single. Yeah. Mm, Solis. This means, who's this actually is Aditi. Aditi इसका मतलब है taking care of something or someone. Taking care of something or someone. कोई किसी का केयर करना और या कोई भी चीज का केयर करना. Yeah. Yes, who's this? अच्छा. Okay. तो यहाँ पे जो एक्सरसाइज में जो है, दिस इज, I think the number 4, sentence number 4 would be the first one. In Assam, there live 2 brothers, one with many children and the others alone and single. ठीक है. उसके बाद number 3, once they gathered the harvest and put the wheats into 2 piles. हो गया. Number 5, one night the single brother thought, my brother has a large family and need more wheat than what I do. I'll put some of my sheaves on his pile. ठीक है. Number 1 then. 1 hour later, the married brother woke up and thought, my brother lives alone and does not have anyone to help him till the land. Sometimes something must be done, and taking some of the ships from his pile carried them to that of his brother. Number two, last में. So the sequence of the sentences would be 4, 3, 5, 1, 2. If you people are there, you can mark the sequence. That is 4, 3, 5, 1 and 2. ठीक है? Then discuss the following situation. As a captain of a team, uh, you find that a player had made a mistake. Will you go after him or reason it out with him and explain your points of view? तो ये तो भाई आप लोगों को करना है. What should you do if you are challenged to build up your ability to or to arouse an interest of your companion for the good of your class? Take your neighbor's son complain to you about your loud bathroom singing. What will you do in this situation? Your neighbor's son broke your window pane. The neighbor's wife requires change to pay the scooter man. You have some change with you. Your landlord wants you to post a letter for him. Your neighbor complains against the barking of your dog. So, all this you have to do, the exercise. I'll create a homework for that, and you have to submit the PDF form or the picture later. अगला वाला चैप्टर करे नहीं करेंगे, कल करेंगे. ठीक है, अगला चैप्टर कल करेंगे. So if anybody have any doubt remaining, you can ask. नहीं, किसी को कोई डाउट नहीं है. पूछो पूछो अगर डाउट है किसी को. Okay, then as you don't have any doubts, and I can see 29 has attended the class out of 42. 42. And they are Shubham Kumar, Mohi Kumari, who's this? Sukanya. ये जो एक्सरसाइज में जो क्वेश्चन आंसर्स है सुकन्या, यू मे बी लिसनिंग, जो क्वेश्चन आंसर्स है इसमें, तो उसका आंसर्स लिख करके हमको भेजना है. ठीक है, उसका आंसर लिख करके फोटो खींच करके हमको भेजना है. अनग्रेडिंगली मतलब बिना कोई शिकायत किए. Ungrudgingly. नहीं रे बेटा, अनग्रेडिंगली का मतलब है अनिच्छा से, मतलब without you don't want to do something but you are forced to do, उसको बोला गया अनग्रेडिंगली, मतलब अनिच्छा के साथ. इच्छा नहीं है, फिर भी कभी कभी हम लोग को बहुत कुछ करना पड़ जाता है। जैसे मान के चलो, अभी क्लास लेने के बाद मेरा इच्छा तो है नहीं, मगर लेना पड़ता है। तुम लोग को भी शायद अभी खाना खाने का टाइम हो गया, मन तो नहीं है पढ़ने का, मगर पढ़ना पड़ेगा। दिस इज टर्म्ड एज अनग्रडविंगली। Yeah. Anybody else? No. Hmm. तुम लोग क्या माइक्रोफोन ऑन नहीं कर पा रहे हो? यू कैन टेक्स्ट मी, ऑब्वियसली टेक्स्ट लिख करके बता सकते हो, बट आई थिंक यू कैन। ओह माय गुडनेस, माइक्रोफोन नहीं ऑन कर पा रहे हो ना? ठीक है, हम सेटिंग कर देंगे। मे बी इन द नेक्स्ट क्लास यू वुड बी एबल टू पुट ऑन द माइक्रोफोन योरसेल्फ. ओके. Okay, okay, no problem, no problem. In the next class, can you put on your videos? Just check out and say, no, you cannot put on the videos too. Okay, okay, no problem. I'll give that permission later. तो अभी इतना नो सर और बोलने की जरूरत नहीं है, हम कर देंगे। बस बस, no need of any more no sir. Okay, and attendance ऑटोमेटिकली हो ही जाएगा सभी का। Now just check out if you can put on the videos and mic. You can say me. Yes. Now you can put on your mic. Okay. Okay. Okay.
नहीं हो रहा।
नहीं, अभी फिर हम बंद कर दिए। I can control all your activity. I can stop all of you at once, and I can allow all of you at once. तो जब हम ऑन करेंगे तभी आप लोग ऑन कर सकते हो अपना भी माइक्रोफोन, नहीं तो नहीं कर सकते हो। ओके, तो टुडे we did one chapter and you have to upload. I'll create that homework, हम होमवर्क बना के भेज देंगे। कल सुबह तक आप लोगों को मिल जाएगा होमवर्क, and after that only you can submit. By that time you can write the answers of your mm, exercise and keep them ready. Once I give you the homework, you can upload it. Okay, but I need everyone's to be uploaded. Have a nice day and get prepared for the next class from 2 o'clock. And that's the end of the today's class. Okay.